Embuga Muwanga manya Bagenze Muwanga Zabike namumbaliga bibi kale tubebele namumbaliga bibi sabo tubebele namumbaliga abana beshika musembere namumbaliga babulire Embuga Muwanga manya Bagenze Muwanga
Why you bust our no, why you bust our Bagenze? Yeah.
Of time, allow me get straight into the reason we're here this morning. This marks the 11th year that we'll be running in the fight for different causes hinged on the health perspective. This run began in 2014. We ran for fistula, for abantu bonna kubanga mukunga abantu nibatajja naye, but also I must recognize our sponsors. We have sponsors who moved with us all through these years. The cardinal one is Airtel Uganda. We began with them, moved with them, and they bought these kits for the cause and ensured that we do fight HIV. We do have our partners who are UNAIDS. This is where Sawa Sajja is a goodwill ambassador in East, Southern and Central Africa. Back to the point, irrespective of political
Why you bust our no, why you bust our Bagenze?
Zabike namumbaliga bibi kale tubebele namumbaliga bibi sabo tubebele namumbaliga abana beshika musembere namumbaliga